Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 Limited, stock reference number 5033. The shape runs from the 5th month 2021 through to the current shape. It has a 5.7 litre V8 HEMI hybrid engine, backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 5.7 litre V8 HEMI hybrid engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light. Not much on the left side of the vehicle has survived the accident. Left hand tail light, rear bumper, tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets and loom. Tailgate has a small tear on the right hand edge, still may be usable. Right rear 22 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 22 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. We have the power window master switch. Center console, less lid. Screen display. Right sun visor. Tidy leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. Courtesy lamp, sunroof type and sunglass holder type, and the left sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.